If you must find fault, this is the way to begin. Principle 1: Begin with praise and honest appreciation. People will do things reluctantly in the face of criticism and an iron-fisted boss, but they will perform well when they are acknowledged and appreciated. In the workplace, for example, it is a widespread problem among employees that they usually leave when they feel unmotivated. Regardless of how much effort they put into their work, they leave simply due to a lack of recognition. Praise builds someone's confidence and provides a positive basis for them to comment on potential areas to improve. It's much easier to listen to bad news after we've been complimented on our strengths. The secret is an age-old strategy known as a sandwich. When giving critical comments, begin with a compliment. Then comes the meat and potatoes, a critique. Finally, and most significantly, dismiss them with another pleasant praise. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 4, Be a Leader. Subscribe, like, follow for more.